Hello, this is Amy Kelly, and the ELL strategy that I have chosen for my video presentation is a Kagan activity called Inside-Outside Circle. The ideal scenario for use of the Inside-Outside Circle activity is for those ELL students who need practice developing listening and speaking skills and English, and for those who would benefit from increased opportunities to interact with their classmates. So, how does this strategy work? In Inside-Outside Circle, the teacher forms two concentric circles, each containing the same number of students. As you can see in the photo, the students are facing one another. Here is a classroom example of how students would be arranged for the Inside-Outside Circle activity. The teacher will then ask the students from the inside circle to share something with their partner in a timed activity. In this example, the student from the inside circle is holding up an index card with a picture of an alligator and the word alligator above it. The student in the outside circle would be expected to perhaps identify the object and maybe provide a definition for it. Next, the students reverse roles. Now the student in the outside circle is expected to share something with the student in the inside circle. In this example, the students are doing a math activity. The student in the outside circle is holding up a division question, 27 divided by 3, and the student in the inside circle is expected to provide an answer to that question. So what materials and resources are needed for this Kagan activity? Well, that varies. The materials and resources needed will depend largely on what students are expected to be sharing in the circle. For a vocabulary or math activity, index cards or pictures can be quite effective. However, it is also quite easy to conduct this activity with no additional materials or resources at all. So what are some of the ways that the Inside-Outside Circle strategy helps ELL students? Well, primarily, it gets students teaching other students. And research has shown that teaching is actually one of the very best ways to learn. So when students teach other students, they are helping to reinforce the concepts or group of concepts that the teacher has presented in the classroom lesson. In addition, this strategy engages all students simultaneously. So no students are left out waiting for their turn to participate. Each student is able to work with a partner and participate at the same time. There's really no downtime in this activity. Another benefit to ELL students is that in this activity, they are paired with classmates with whom they might not normally work with. One thing that the teacher can do when conducting the Inside-Outside Circle activity is to rotate the circle. For example, once a student in the inside circle has shared something with his or her partner in the outside circle and vice versa, the teacher can then ask the circles to rotate so that each student is now performing the same activity or slightly different activity with a new partner. This strategy is also helpful to ELL students as it gives them the opportunity to both listen and participate in dialogue in a group setting. I hope that you've enjoyed my short presentation about the Inside-Outside Circle Kagan activity for ELL students. Thank you very much for listening.